Tell us about milling the cranberry powder and how important that is.
Well, the milling is one of the key reasons of our separation from the rest of the cranberry suppliers out there. Milling, depending on the application, if it's for beverage industry, we need to mill that cranberry into a finer mesh. So we call that 80 mesh. If it goes into capsules, or it's like we can, it's be 60 to 40 to 30. But the processing of milling, we use very little. We gently mill. We do not mill in a way where we're going to add heat to the cranberry milling process, because that will have a negative effect on the end result of our product and where we are today with it.
What about consistency with color?
Well, as you can see here on the table that I brought, there's these pink capsules, and I'm thinking pink, cranberry's not pink, right? If you look at the one we have here, it's more of a rosy red color. Well, it's two different processes. One is a spray dried process, and this is a oven dried process where we're putting it into a temperature control ovens where we're drying it low and slow, I'll call it. Low temperatures and a slow time period to maintain the integrity and composition of that raw material. What we don't want to do is cause any degradation of what Mother Nature brought to us, was these wonderful compounds within the cranberry. So those proanthocyanins, which is what everybody's talking about today, we want to protect those proanthocyanins from too much heat.
So how do you monitor that? How do you maintain quality control?
Well, we'll go back to our company itself. One of our core values is safety. We're all about regulatory compliance. We're about quality assurance and quality control. We do this every day, and we are trying to maintain efficacy of the ingredients that we produce in order to create safe products that are efficacious to the consumer. So how we're doing this is really we're striving for perfection in every category of our business. And our customers depend on us to be able to, they recognize this, and they depend on us to be able to provide this technical support and this quality that's consistent, reliable, and dependable from lot to lot and batch to batch.
Talk to us about a couple of the products on the table. This Up for Women, what is that all about?
Well, this is one of our customers, and this is an exciting field of where we're at today. We're really geared towards taking cranberry beyond UTI. That's the future for us. Is the traditional use has been just
urinary tract infections,
yes.
Right?
And how many men do get urinary tract infections?
Oh yes, oh absolutely.
Right? But it's been sort of pigeonholed into the industry for the time that I've entered. That's what even though historically, cranberries have been used by Native Indians for other benefits. Well, we're such as scurvy, for example. But we're now using it beyond UTI into areas of oral health and gut health, and the UP4 represents a gut health product that we're working with another company called UAS Labs, and that company has helped us by purchasing our raw material, and then we went to Christian Kruger, who is a plant chemist with complete
who we
phytochemical.
spoke to earlier on the show. Yes,
and he has been sort of our savior to the cranberry industry.
Okay.
Right, he's been able to do a deep dive into gut health and cranberry and probiotics combined together. So
this is like a probiotic.
Absolutely. Now this is designed not just for women, but also for men.
Yeah.
But they'll have other probiotic, ingredients, combinations for men. And then our other customer here, Vibrant Health, they're our first customer in the United States to switch from a major leading brand to us. And they switched to our cranberry because they believed in our vision, they believed in what we brought to the table that was different than everybody else out there. And and then as far my job now as as the director of business development is to take Cranberry beyond UTI and take my passion and enthusiasm for what I have, in terms of knowledge, and be able to share with the buyers and researchers and formulators that every day they can go to the table, to their desk, and start formulating new products rather than just traditionally look at what cranberry has been used for in the past.
Stephen Lukawski, thank you so much for helping us understand cranberry beyond UTI.